Hey Lennar fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property Group, and today we are previewing our newest listing over in Treviso Bay, Naples. This is in Trevi Court, Unit 4732. It's a Bellini floor plan, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, great room design, and right around 1,200 square foot. Let's walk in and take a look at this wonderful condo. This one does not include a golf membership, so if you're a non-golfer, you don't have to pay any additional dues. As you come in directly to our left here is the master bedroom, and this is plenty big to have a king size bed and dresser set. And you've got 2 closets here. One off to the right is going to be the smaller one, more of a coat style closet here, and then you've got a walk-in style closet directly across on the left hand side here, and this leads us directly into the master bath here. You have a single sink, you've got the commode, and then also a standalone style shower right there. Now coming back out into the main area, directly across from the master is going to be the guest bedroom and the guest bath. So the guest bedroom is here. Most people will stick to twin beds in here to allow for more folks to be able to stay in here, but you can absolutely fit a larger full-size or queen-size bed in this bedroom as well. And you've got the bifold closet style doors there. The guest bath is just off the guest bedroom here with the single sink, the commode, and here you've got the combination tub and shower. Now coming back into the hallway here, this is where you're going to have your laundries area. So this is your laundry here. As you can see, full-size washer and dryer with some room above for additional storage. And this brings us to our main living space and dining areas. So you've got this area here, which is a formal dining spot. Many people will use this as an alternate office, put also a sleep sofa type situation here to allow for more guests to stay. And this overlooks your nice great room area here. And then of course your views. Over here in Trevi on this particular unit, you're gonna have some great views. We're gonna see that in one sec here. And you can see your kitchen overlooks the great room area as well. You've got granite countertops, full appliance package, wood cabinets, and nice great room design here overlooking your eating kitchen area, with your bay windows overlooking the lake here in Trevi. So beautiful views here of the lake from inside while you're having breakfast, coffee, drinks, just relaxing. And then you've got a nice lanai space as well. So here's your lanai and your views. The nice part is about building 47, you have no other buildings to the left of you here. So you've got a clear view of the lake, the preserve, and then you can see the other buildings in the background there as you go around Trevi Court. All right, folks, so this is our newest listing, 4732. It's being sold unfurnished like you see here with all the appliances. If you're interested in this condo, you can reach us at any of the contact information you'll see below. This is Roberto with Pinnacle Property Group, and we appreciate you watching.